Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds and welcome to the video of this lovely 2019 19 plate Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. This one's all done 6,232 miles from new, and as you can see it's a really nice clean bike. So with these you get a full colour TFT display, you've got Showa front suspension, you've got Brembo M50 monobloc brakes, and you also get an Ohlins rear shock as well. This one's got a tail tidy, it's got the quickshifter fitted. It's just a genuine Triumph frame protection, as you can see there. It's got the Arrow exhaust, which sounds fantastic. You've also got the paddock stand bobbins from R&G. This one's got some aftermarket bar end mirrors. And as you can see, through here on the switch gears, you get different maps on there. You get ABS, you get traction control. You can change all the display as well, which I think is really nice. You go into the home button, go to your display setup, theme, and you can completely change how the display looks. So there's about 4 or 5 different settings there. But they're a fantastic bike of these, 3-cylinder engine, they go like stink, they sound fantastic, and they're a really popular seller for us. So if you do want it, get yourself down at Jordan Bikes or simply give us a call. Thank you for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.